issue here. I've got one furnace here, right, that has 18 ingots and can hold freaking 10 charcoal, right? It's 18. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 6 is 18, right? I've got another one here that can only hold 5 charcoal. 11, 16, 17, 18. Now I'm wondering if it's because I've got 11 ingots stacked ingots way more or something, but it's weird. Yeah, but we got a bugged fucking, we got like a big boy, or maybe it's the quality of the ingots, I bet. Maybe it's the quality. So well, these are 44s, 38s, 48, right? Okay, and what's this one's here? This shit 11 at 50, 55, 31. They're about the same. No, I don't get it. That is odd, isn't it? Yeah. Well, anyone can answer this, be great. Oh, phone call.